back. So today I'm going to be showing you what minifigure scale is and how to like incorporate it into your builds to make your builds more realistic to the real things. So like the minifigures could be real people and the build is more accurate to the minifigures. So I'll show you do that right now. So to start off, you're going to need to know how tall a minifigure is. So a minifigure with his hairpiece, it usually like changes between the hairpiece, but without the hairpiece, he's like exactly 4 bricks tall, like it's lined up perfectly. And right here, he's also exactly like 5 like studs tall, like sideways, like that. So those are the measurements for a minifigure. So I'm gonna have an example of a build that would be minifigure scale here. So this is an X-Wing from Star Wars. Right here, you probably can't read it, but it says it is 43 feet 11 inches. So we're gonna just round that to 44 feet. Okay, so the average person is about 6 feet tall. So with the 44 feet of how long an X-Wing is, we divide that by 6 feet, which will give us 7.3, well, like 7 1/3 is more accurate, but yeah, so 7 1/3, which is how many minifigures long it would be. So this is 7 1/3 minifigures right here, so let's figure out how long that would be in plates. So guys, with a minifigure being 5 plates tall right here, we're going to times that by 7 1/3, which will give us 36.5, which we're just going to round that to the nearest even number, so it's going to be 36. But if you want it to be more accurate, you can make half a plate on the end. But that's just really like pretty accurate, but yeah, you can use that if you want. But this is how long 36 like studs long it is. So it's almost, well, it's almost exact. Just this is a little less than 1/3, but yeah, that's what it looks like right here, 36 plates long. Okay, so this is the Lego X-Wing from 2006. So if we get the 36 like plate long piece right here, it's actually pretty accurate. It's just like 4 plates short about at the back. So this Lego X-Wing is a pretty accurate X-Wing, which is really nice. So this is about the size that minifigure scale X-Wing would be. If you know the height of the thing you're building, you can also do the exact same thing, except you can times it by 4 instead of timesing by 5, and that'll give you how many bricks tall it will be. So yeah, you can make your build the minifigure scale, the height of it too. So minifigures are a lot wider than normal people. So if you want to make a small build like more accurate, well, if you want a small build that can fit like the amount of minifigures in it that you want, you might have to base it off their width instead of the height. A good example of this is the Speed Champion set. Right here, it's way taller and way wider than the actual thing, but that is because they wanted to fit 2 minifigures into it. And see how there's a seat right there and there's a seat right there. So that's what Lego did for this. But these cars are much bigger than the actual cars if you wanted it to be minifigure scale. Hey guys, so that's it for the video. I hope if you're like a mock builder or something, this will help you make your builds more accurate. But as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell.